wearing pink.
For sure, for sure.
Oh, pink October. We are celebrating. Have you checked your boobs?
No.
Why? What are you waiting
I
for?
don't get some.
It doesn't matter.
All right, we'll check out.
How about
Go
you?
check out.
I wasn't aware though. So.
Oh, but it's for both male and female. That's the thing. So I think the education should be out there that both male and female should go check your boobs. It doesn't matter whether your boobs are, but you just need to get them checked.
Right.
Yeah.
Of course. Now he's like family because he's been here a couple of
here a
times.
couple of
He was here
times.
last week, and even though I did win last week, we're not gonna talk about that. He's back this week, so we're definitely gonna have Mote on the show, Kweku Mote on the show, of course. But today, Roski, how did you feel last week though with what Godfather has done?
Godfather was, he's a beast on the mic.
Yes.
Last week was crazy with the freestyle. The thing is, we can't hype him so much because, the opponent is like, I want you guys to talk. Do you know what I'm about to do? So, let's just keep it safe and let's see what happens.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
You want to have this?
Yes, I want to.
So what we're going to do is we're going to let them introduce themselves. And now even with these rappers, want you guys to know a bit more about them. So apart from the hoods they represent, their social media handles, let's get to know them a bit more. Yep. So I'm going to let my man go first. What's the name? What hood you representing? And who are you as an artist, man?
Yeah, for sure. The name is Sages. SAGEZ. Representing Kaswa.
Okay.
I'm a hip-hop artist.
Okay.
Hip-hop
Okay,
artist.
are you like a student? What do you do apart from the music?
I just completed, so
Oh, which
High
school?
school.
Thematic.
Okay.
Stubborn.
Stubborn in the building.
Yeah.
For
A
real.
lot of legends, right, from Tema. So that's Sages, right?
For real,
nice one. Are you into battle rap? Is this something you've ever done before?
Yeah, for real. I've done a few battles. I've been to 3FM and Tampa
Charlie,
FM.
what's the battle?
Jason, did you hear that?
Battle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
battles, man.
Are you from New York?
I'm bringing Brooklyn back today.
Battles.
Oh, okay. But have you been to New York?
I wish I could.
Jason
Wish
can
you
help
could.
you.
For sure.
Have
for
I ever
sure.
told you in my life that I've been to New York?
Joanna Mazada, please.
But anyways, that's Sages, you know.
Sure.
Now to the man himself, he's been here a couple of times, like you said, but let's get to know him some more. Godfather, right? Tell us about yourself, man.
I'm Godfather representing Oyaifa, Ibab, GFM worldwide. I was born with a mic and
Don't
compare me
compare
because
me.
we don't look alike.
Hey.
Who is Godfather behind the music, though? For those who-
I'm also a student. I just graduated from SHS. So, wow.
Which school?
Fafra Community Senior High School.
Fafra High in the building. Yeah, man.
Yeah, your people are watching.
For
man.
sure,
How do they feel like the journey so far when they see their man?
Yeah, the students has been supportive, but the teachers, they figure say they do stuff.
I know, but Aski
It's
surely
always
knows.
like that. It's always like that.
Yeah.
I was a good boy in school, though.
Yeah, you wish.
Jason,
Okay.
I was.
You wish. Anyways, so what we're going to do is, what are we doing?
So just to be fair, we're just going to have you guys pick out, and then the numbers are 1 and 2. Why are you like that? Shift.
I'm looking at
Shift.
you.
So whatever you pick, you get to represent Jason or myself. And Godfather, last week you did me proud. Sages, I wish you the best. If you come to me, please do me proud. Okay, so you guys just go ahead and pick. Let's see. Oh.
So anyways, of course, this is brought to you by Guinness Smooth. As you can see, they're holding their Guinness balls.
Right.
And yes, thank you again to Guinness Smooth for making this possible. We love the fact that you guys support these up-and-coming talents. And we know you're going to continue to support all these rappers. So, Godfather's on my side. That means I'm willing to do
You wanted him way back from last week,
He's my
so
boy.
don't worry. It's fine.
He's my guy.
It's
This is
fine.
my
I wish
guy.
you the best.
As the show goes on after this, what they're going to do is they're going to give out their handles, but we have 3 rounds. First round, they test the waters. Second round, they go for each other more. And in the third round, Ofurua, the sexy lovely, gives us a word which they have to rap to. Roski, what are we looking for today?
Just one rule: violence, but no violence.
No
That's
swear
the
words,
basic
right?
one. Yeah, no swear words on the
Nice
show.
one.
All right, so who's going first?
You came in, I came in second.
All right, so Godfather,
Okay.
let's do this.
Hey, I was born with a mic. If I compare me because you don't look alike. What's it Get me a mic, get me a gun. I'm about to murder, and I don't use one. I'm not here aircon because I get fans, man. I'm used to this bus and I know how it runs. So I'm just mic in there, do be academy, me a rap bunyami. Maybe a matabe, we ain't fancy any so I'm just them with now rap piano. Oh, and then who are tell it don't track was chair my own to me, I ain't one so be to me to forget to respect me, yet to me. We are Johnson, I could have joined a woman. Them say I be haddy, I don't need to copy. I see me rap, I get the sick with toffee. Watch like a week, I want to be madame. Rap me my chedi and they could tell me I was born with it. I was born with a mind. If I compare me because you don't look alike, you're from what boy? Are you ready now?
Okay.
We are John Cena crowd.
He came with the heat.
Alright, let's do this.
Say this.
Yeah. Man, I don't know wavy. Yeah. Tell the boys that we do it, yeah. Flex.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know they talk too much. Girls when they feel me fine. If I did streets with they see me, I go yeah. I'ma say baby, please don't leave me. I dey go crazy. Hey, I be too rock and roll. The boy know they move too much. I be static lazy. You know fit to reach my level. If you did squad by now, make a money and I'm cagey. Hey, I dey walk on walls. The boy be amazing. Look at me peace pipe. Man, I feel so high. I'm elevating. Yeah. Yeah, madani man who have more than a bit me penetrating. Man, I tattoo ninja, kung fu panda, casual gangster, yeah. I be very cool guy, but most of the guys they say I dey feel myself. Syndrome, so I get parasite. If you get some, just check yourself. Flow in the room temperature. Who the PSC here, able to start the melt. When you mercury, intergalactic, I be out of this world. Making no touch for this fine, we'll get near a swimming pool with the dive. Pressure pipe, no attention. If you cross me, I feel to show you divine intervention. If you
Wait. Did you hear some? I say, Madani man who cry. Who ain't a bit me penetrating. Jason, did you hear that?
Are you explaining the rap?
No, wait. Like, did you hear it? Did you hear it?
Are you explaining the rap?
I saw a girl on why swimming pool. We did that. Man, bars.
Okay.
That's you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
Okay.
good. Alright, so who's going next?
I think Sages should take the
Sages
second
will do that.
one.
Okay, let's go.
Like,
Round 2.
Yeah, man, I don't know wavy. Yeah, I flow you menace, ready? It be me with the top. Godzilla self chop, who be King Kong? Man, I wavy, it be me with the top shot. 007, it be me with the sign bond. Kakalika love, it be me with the cockroach. You put me now, me why you for no say me was strong, so call me the Reaper. It be me with the guide souls. Kill all your family, I go bury them in Moscow. Why so serious? It be here you they come joke and split like a venom. Say, I can't why you go see hoes. What's the way you blog? If I charge right, D, when you vex me, I swear it go shock you. You know attitude I chop, I be hard. If the state calls with me, I do watch me so. The person me blow. If I manna do that, I'm sure they worry a couple of people. Like my mommy, my sister, and a couple of friends where they make sure they point straight. You don't know. Yeah.
we are wavy like that, you know? Wavy. Smooth and wavy.
Godfather, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Alright, are you ready now? I was born with a mind. Yeah. Alright, listen, yo. Baby, you're free, need your heart, I be too cold. Side to the trenches on my 10 toes. Who could have been feed? I don't come close. Me, you come and empty, cause I get ghosts. Yeah, God damn it, you know just can't get me. They be a me came to sick and name so me. Big party girl, do the dirty wine for me. Me, they want one hour square, yeah, show that one for me. Hey, fake people get real problems. Me a street boy, so me pay violence. I there for the money, you know, regardless. If I love worky, I will see make a buy best. My eye girl a long time before this rap thing. That's why you show this yourself one right thing. Cause I will pull up on the mic right now. Cause you know go fit to stand me. Charlie, what's it? Hey, I was born with a mic. If I compare because we don't look alike.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, it happened. So we move.
So we move.
We move.
Okay.
We move.
So what's the word?
Okay,
today?
so I like the fact that today we are smooth and wavy.
Yeah.
And we are shining so bright.
Yeah.
You know, cause black shines brightest.
Yes.
So let's do shine. Yeah, baby.
All right. Godfather, let's shine here.
Final round.
I want to whisper the shine.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Charlie, seriously speaking, no rapper go fit to bet on me. Cause I'm mad at Charlie. Age. Harder than the rapper when they hear when they claim bossy. Cause my killing no. Hey, internationally flowing. Everywhere you go, Charlie, niggas they be show you respect. Hey, nigga, don't try me. Cause nobody go fit to stand my beat or say, hey, everybody knows about entertainment. They are Charlie for close. Cause I post already. Make you no try father. I say baby, I Charlie, who you might be had a rap god. I was born with an MRC. Are you ready now, Charlie? No.
Hey. More relax, yo. More Russian beats, no more. Relax.
Okay. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Yes.
Straight up. Yeah. Man, I don't know. Wavy. Yeah. Shit is crazy. Yeah. I did shine too bright like I did road top. I be car lighter now for the street top. Yes. DJ Viroski, spin that beat, make us see that thing top. No joke, we dey feel me. Boy, in the future, you're bright. They shine so bad. See what I they talk. The bad things there, man. A bad things there. If you meet me for the street, say bad man thing there. Boy, I know they joking now. DJ Viroski, I be you know me, no. Right in where I see you, where I see the menace, where they hear and everything I feel say. It be dope things. Flexing on the mic, me a G. Boy, no, they move too much. I be 6, MX24. Big ups to every bro where they hear their stuff. Every bro where they see me, I don't feel too crazy. I don't know what I did talk, but I did the mic talk. It be so
Charlie, we don't know what we did talk, but we did a mic talk. Viroski.
Okay. They don't know Viroski like.
Yeah,
but you man from Waka
No. Like time no day like that.
Huh. Jason, what's up? What do you make of the
I'm
battle?
good.
Like,
How you doing, Viroski?
like I'm good. What do you make of this battle, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah, I mean,
I mean, you witnessed
no,
it.
I mean, what do you make of the battle?
What do I think?
Yeah.
Hard to be won.
Yeah. You think you won?
Yeah.
I mean,
that's what
forget
I
about
think.
winning.
But anyways,
Because-
do you know what I really loved about this? You know, in the third round, usually when rappers come here, we tell them to rap with the word shine or along the word of shine. But I think this is one where both of them really took the word.
Yep.
I mean, he spelled it and he was like a freestyle off the top.
Yeah.
I always say everything aside, these rappers are here to express themselves the best way possible. And of course, big salute to Guinness Smooth for making this possible. I mean, he might get a couple of points because he's in black.
He actually has
He might get a couple of points, but we're also representing Breast Cancer Month. So you got to be nice. What do you think, though?
I mean, both of them were good. I mean, like bar some points, punchline some points, wordplay. It's gonna be a hard one for me.
Make it easy. Should I help you?
Who do you think won?
Oh,
No, let me ask you. Who do you think won?
Sages did.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Team Oyo did. So.
Sages. Who do you think won?
I mean, I'm supposed to take everything, you know. Yeah, straight up.
Godfather, who will win this one?
Rap God in there. You were born
Where's
with
we
a mic.
were born with a mic? What tells you
It
expect?
doesn't matter. Someone was born
Pushing
with a
out a
silver
baby
spoon.
alone is a problem. You're coming out with a mic. Do you know how difficult
Do you
that
know how
is?
childbirth?
And the
have
mic
you ever
was working
experienced
in the
childbirth?
fluid. Rusty, come on.
Okay. It's going to be a very difficult one for me, so I think they'll go one more round.
Okay,
I
cool.
mean,
That works.
So let's do this one more round.
That works.
All right, Sages, let's start this one.
Yeah. Kaswa be my hood. If you here with the recruit, all the killers in the hood. Me and my boys to cool. Spread the news. Pen and paper, me tools. Rap mechanic, passing the engine. I go demolish sound for you. Taxi, draw, abubo ya. All the sides with the do. I got a boy with the big flex. 7 days in me weakness. Me rap the measure and the thickness. Me I mind my business. Me I the rap relentless. More full squad are the fearless. See the shorty in the thick dress. So the human and I'm you for take care. Me and my boy they suck below. Left and right, me near your blade. See can I shit my eye clear. Brand me energy go you 10 over 10. Real G and me, I know they pretend. Tell me rap, you're sick. I be the drug lord, so I fit to detect. So when you're real, there, you will real thing. Want me to how we go detect. They be bought ampy, and you rap me be so me, I select. I be you get what I say. Anything negative, you go delete. No be debate. You don't say me, I the craze me black or share me body pass.
Wavy.
Alright, Godfather, make you know make that too difficult for me again.
Rusty, I come.
Some coaching skills and things. Alright.
Yeah. I was born with a mind. Don't compare me, what's it? Yeah. But give me time, I'm measure me rap. I'm say you don't be my type. Me better me tibita. Me tell about when I'm on the mic. Checking my style, checking me flow. But give me sharp, put me on the show. I don't get time, I'm just in my goals. I'm not in the mood, just give me a bro. When I for the rapper, I shana. Just say what was a messaka wogela. But all the work come making is a hammer. I'll come out of the you be the boss, you be the king. No be your fault, I be what you think. What you would be, let's jump in the ring. And the two will sign if you call me a thing. Pressure the doors, but still gotta move. GFL worldwide, that be the crew. You never the stitch on the guest, you are looking for dollars. Remember, you forget some manners. But any year is a Jomo Becca, but a massive, you know, be a matter. So the movie could afford home, somebody be the after I'll face some about. Hey, shut up, Charlie, make you not talk when I talk. Charlie, who are down, father me will up. If you guys say you go fit to put me down like Dima, nigga, I'll pull up in Bima. 50K be the amount I spend on my nigga. That was not be my shadow. Still, when you're sure for give a shot. But every man I just want to be there on top of this nigga, I'm killing him more. On top of the nigga, I never see you go. You go, I go, make sure say you before.
Guys, it's okay. Yeah, Pong.
Can we rap on that too? I'd like to rap on that too. Yeah.
This is going to be a very, very difficult one, but I think I have to give it to Sages on this one.
Wavy,
I mean, Godfather was amazing on the mic.
Man, wavy.
Yeah, but
You know, we always waving our way
That's
around.
what I'm talking about.
I mean, for
Yo.
the last round, I felt what Godfather was doing, but I couldn't hear a lot of things he was saying.
Yeah.
It wasn't audible.
Rusty, you can't
So
hear what Busta
probably-
Rhymes says.
What?
We hear.
What
We
are you
hear what
talking about?
Buster says. I can tell you everything he
I
says.
feel, what do you guys think, though?
Yeah.
I mean, Sages. Yeah, I mean,
It's right, but then again, you can send in your comments as well. You saw the first, second, third, and then the extra round, making it 4 rounds. And of course, you know that I've been
know
winning
why
back
there's a
to
witch
back
hunt
to
against
back
me.
to back to
hold
back.
it doesn't take
on.
see, this doesn't take anything away from Godfather. You all know Godfather is amazing.
Yes, he is.
He will come back on the show.
Next
I know
week,
Godfather
harder
will
and
come
stronger.
back. So
Rusty,
yeah.
when we win our Grammy, we'll still give you a shout out. Don't
Okay.
worry.
It doesn't matter. But yeah, people, let us know who do you think won? Jason, myself, Godfather, or Sages? But
Yeah.
we know Team Sages won, you know?
Okay.
But,
How we do
yeah,
it.
I mean, yeah.
I
But
mean-
Sages is very dope, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
They're both
hip hop
dope, you know.
and rap, you know, off the top of your head. You more in the third round. I
You
even
people
said.
always make
Yeah.
my job very
Yeah.
difficult. But I can't say.
Yeah.
Easy, my man.
Nah,
All right, so this segment was proudly brought to you by Guinness.
Guinness smooth.
Smooth, you know, black
course.
shines brightest. You know, just what makes you shine brightest?
Me, everything, man. I'm
Like-
fly.
You're fly, eh?
Everything. You
Okay.
know? Even when they claim I lose.
Hey.
Yeah.
Dope.
Yeah, my G. But
Okay.
Sages, I think where can we find you on social media very quickly before you leave us, man?
Anywhere on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and everywhere. It's Sages Official or Wavy the Kid.
Hey.
Okay.
Wavy the Kid.
You
or
have
Sages
music out there?
Official. Yeah, my music is out there.
Nice one.
Okay,
Please go and support him.
okay.
Godfather, where can we find you, bro?
Anywhere, Godfather Music, you babs, check me out, follow our Moki Sports.
We know Godfather is coming back next
Oh,
week,
of
so
course.
like
I
we
know
don't even
Godfather
need to
will
talk plenty.
Yeah, of course.
Right,
of
so
course,
we
of
leave the
course.
stage for Sages.
Yeah, Sage, ready to perform? Yeah, take it away, my G.
Oh, yeah, it's a real bad man thing there. Man, I wavy thing there. Look at this girl trying to flex me. I don't get time for that crazy thing yet. I don't want stack up. Hope you the bab that. Pull up on the streets with a crack. You go, yeah, pow, pow. I did trace you, Charlie more tracker. If I catch you, just shut up. Man, I wavy. Man, I black and proud. Man, I shady. Imaginating what my life could have been if I met up with man, them storms here. Would have been crazy, but I get a lot of things that I gotta take care of. If you don't mind, leave me alone, cause it been like that since day one. Nobody they care to you make. I'm checking my ups and downs. Innocent boy with the man, them sound. Block holder, me the cement, and I'm Freemason. Here they come see me shout. Right here, I they come change my route. My ex-class here, she be proud. But I know they care, I they chill for my lounge. Spare me the crown, it be now you the frown. Nowadays, it be ball where I ball. If I dey park, don't pass me the ball. I be ball, I zoom line, be the plug. I be dope, you never go see say I dey flop.
Nice.
Vibes on vibes, I feel now mic drop. Flashback, I they can't reverse the clock. Suicide squad, if you come make like croc, man, I werewolf. If you come check my floss. Yeah, man, I don't know where this straight on the beat.
Okay.